Hi viewers, how are you? I'm here with you with one new video tutorial. Here we have seed beads earrings, floral shape. You can easily make it. Let's start with the golden seed beads 11. We have to take 24 seed beads in the beginning. Make double knot here, tight it, secure it. After making knot, we will start beading. First of all, we have to attach here one pearl, turquoise color, one pearl of 6 mm. We are adding in center of beaded circle, golden beads circles center. You can see in the video we are adding it with 2 seed beads around our pearl. Now we have started our first round of adding seed beads, passing through golden seed beads which we added in the beginning. So we have to take 2 turquoise seed beads 11 each time. In this way we will add 2 turquoise seed beads 11 each time, and we will passing through golden seed beads, 2 golden seed beads. We have to pass through 2 golden seed beads each time, and we will bead it 6 times in the same way. 6 times we have to bead in this way 6 times. Then we will start next round of adding beads. Now we will add 1 turquoise 11 seed bead between 2 turquoise 11 seed beads which we added in the last round, which we beaded in the last round. We have to add 1 seed bead 11 turquoise color each time between 2 turquoise seed beads of last round. Then we will add one golden between. In the next round we will add 1 golden seed bead between these turquoise seed beads. Passing through turquoise seed beads, we will add golden seed beads. Next round started. In this round we are adding 2 turquoise seed beads, passing through golden seed beads. These beads are added around 1 turquoise seed bead which we added in the last round. In this round 2 turquoise seed beads will be added around 1 turquoise seed bead which we added in the last round. This is very elegant project, very elegant pattern, floral shape beaded earrings of seed beads. We will continue adding in the same way 6 times. We have to repeat the same process 6 times. We will be adding in the same way, passing through turquoise seed beads and golden seed bead. Please watch all the process carefully with full consideration, because it's a process of learning. And if you are serious, if you truly want to know something, learn something, so full consideration is needed. Now we are adding golden seed beads and 2 seed beads, turquoise seed beads we are adding in this round to make a flower shape to our seed beads pattern. You can see after adding 2 seed beads turquoise color in this round, when you string, when you add 2 turquoise more in this round, these will be getting shape of little flowers. All these turquoise beads will be getting a shape of little flower. We will add 2 seed beads turquoise color each time, one by one, passing through golden seed bead. Continue the same process, and then you can see now all these beaded turquoise seed beads are turned into little flowers. These flowers are complete. Now go through golden seed bead. We will add one by one each time golden seed bead 11 between turquoise seed beads flowers. Keep the same process. We have to bead all golden seed beads one by one around all beaded flowers, turquoise color flowers. In this way we will complete our round, this round of adding golden seed beads, passing through turquoise seed beads. Now we have started next round. In this round we will be adding multi-shaded crystal bead 3 mm between golden seed beads which we beaded in the last round. We will add multi-shaded crystal beads 3 mm between all golden seed beads which we added in the last round. Continue adding multi-shaded 3 mm crystal beads. We have to add these crystal beads 6 times. These beads, crystal beads, are very cute beads. They have given our earrings very elegant look, as you can see in this video. Now the last round will be started. We will add here earring wire. For adding earring wire here, we have picked 4 seed beads around earring wire right side and 4 in the left side. These are golden and turquoise beads around earring wire. We are passing through golden seed beads of last round beads. We will attach our earring wire, earring hook here, passing through side golden beads, seed beads. We are passing our needle through golden seed bead and we will pass through golden seed bead 2 times. Then we will make some knots here. We will make some finishing knots here. Pull the thread to tight it. After making knots, we will trim the extra thread and later on we will fine it with lighter's flame. I hope you have learned it easily. I gave all instructions step by step, and the main purpose as usual of all my videos is learning, spread learning process. I want to make it easy and make it clear. Now our earrings are ready. Its elegant look is here before you. I hope you would like its color combination, its pattern. It's totally new brand pattern. I hope you must try. You would like it. Kindly don't forget to encourage me. Don't forget to subscribe my channels. I work very hard. I make videos, tutorials for you. Kindly subscribe my channel, earrings+ring jewellery and Somycrafty, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. I will say bye now. Take care of yourself. Lots of love. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.